Hello hopeful friends, I'm Della Lavers of Team Quilt of Hope Cornwall for Relay for Life list card. I'm going to do an unboxing today, which is very exciting. Right, that was the noisy bit. So here we are, opening up. Very well packaged. It's badges. Well, it will be badges when I play with it. So it's going to be very noisy, and I don't like that sort of video, so I'm going to turn the video off and unbox everything and get it out to show you. Well, that didn't take too long, and I've even put it together. You're probably wondering, why on earth does Della want a badge maker? Well, for many years, a lovely gentleman has been creating these badges for Relay for Life, and with the year on, and those of us who've been doing it a long time proudly display how many years we've been doing. But like all things, the components have gone up in price. He made for the whole country. They are not supplied by Cancer Research UK, because why should they? But they want all their donations to go to life-saving research. So it was something a relayer did off his own back. Well, this year he's decided he can't do it anymore, can't justify the costs. We had a look at sourcing them from a local company, and again, same problem. Components have gone up, and they would be, for a limited amount, sort of 100, 150 that we want, they'd be about £3 each. They are beautifully made, I have to say. They're sort of look enamelled. But we've decided, no, we're about fundraising, not about spending. So I've actually been looking at one of these badge makers for a long time. I did a craft fair last year, I think, and somebody was using one of them, and I put that on the one day I'll get one of those lists with all my other crafts. The lovely Steve and Jane from Team Mixed Allsorts have very kindly purchased this for the Relay for Life list card, knowing that I'll make them. So I think that's a pretty good job to do when it's been supplied for us. So a huge thank you, Steve and Jane. We really, really appreciate it. I've had a little play at having our logo. Now, we are allowed to use the logo, for anybody worries. It has been authorised by Cancer Research UK. And I've put 2025. Last year was blue. It's always a different colour, and I've made it red this year because Relay for Life is 40 years old this year. Started in America in 1985. I've also had a play with other things because I think this has lots of potential for more fundraising. Along with the actual badge maker, Jane and Steve have also purchased, as part of the package, this cutter. So it will, you can see there's a hole in there, I won't touch it, it's quite sharp. But this will cut circles in the right size to fit into the badges. So we've gone for the 25mm badges because they're the smallest and they were the most cost effective. But you can, later on, you can actually purchase separately different dies to make much bigger badges. So we can, if it's a success and it's a good fundraiser, we can look into that another year. Yes, it is plastic, this back piece. Yes, I know, but these are designed to be collected. They're not designed to be thrown away. So if something's plastic and it's not thrown away, it's fine. It's just when it's single use. So you have a metal front, a plastic back with a pin in it, and these little mylar clear covers to seal them in. I've also received a template for all the different dies. So if you didn't purchase one of these. I could actually hand cut it, but this is going to be so much better. So again, thank you to Steve and Jane. So I know ours is the 1 inch, the 25mm roughly, rough conversion. So this is just a practice sheet really. The committee can have one of these, or I'll have this one myself. And it just about fits. I think I will proportion it down just a tiny little bit more. Otherwise, I think it'll be quite fiddly to get it in the right place, but that's fine for just a few practice ones. So let's have a go. Although I have a cutting mat, you also receive a cutting board. This is Perspex, good quality Perspex, because I think this is going to be quite sharp. So as far as I can see, you line it up as best you can. Circle round. That was very easy. And have a little template. Lovely. That on that side. One of those. Oh, see, again, I thought I separated those, but that's there were two there. Then the plastic one. Now what I'm going to do is put that over there and then put that in before I forget. Right. And then this piece needs to be like a top hat. Pick it up, move it over, make sure that's lined up nicely, turn that one over. Yes, success! Oh my goodness, look at that. Our very first Relay for Life 2025 badge. And I can see that that needs to move over a little bit, but that's fine. I shall go and try that on the computer. But that's very, very exciting. Well, it's a few days later and it's taken me a while to resize these how I like it. I think I've done it. Let's have a go. I think I'm going to make 10 and see how long it takes me to do those. Well, I actually made 15. And the most fiddly bit was cutting these out. There's 15 to a page, so that's why I made the 15. So I don't think that's too bad. So if you would like a Relay for Life 2025 badge, find out soon how you can get one. I've made 1 or 2. And I have lots more half done, so I can do them as and when they're needed. So these are the Relay for Life year badges 2025. If you would like one, they will be £1 each, and all the money will be going to Relay for Life for Cancer Research UK. Lots of fun making these, and we hope to make many more fundraising things with them. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. We'll see you soon. Stay hopeful. Bye. Pick up the top bit, and by magic it's picked up the badge. Move it over, Turn the top hat the other way. And move it again. Good press. I forgot to put the back in. Oh dear, what a silly sausage. Right, get it right this time. Line it up. No, I've still done it wrong. Oh, come on. I'm too excited, that's what it is. I'm doing something wrong here. Right. Third time lucky, come on.